Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tumu Learning. I'm Umut, and in this video I will share some tips to help you distinguish between feminine and masculine nouns in French. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. How to know if a noun is feminine or masculine in French? I got asked this question a lot. Even if there is no magical answer to this question, some endings are associated with a particular gender. So I recommend you to look at the endings. In this video, I will share some of these endings with you. So if you are ready, let's get into it. Let's get started. First, let's start with feminine endings. People usually say if a noun ends with an E, it's a feminine noun. Yes, it's true, but not always. Here are some feminine endings for you. Ad, promenade. Aison, combinaison. Hier, fermière. Euse, chanteuse. Hyène, pharmacienne. I, chimie. Zion, passion. Tur, confiture. Thé, charité. Sion, invention. So as you see here, most of the endings have an E at the end, except aison, combinaison, zion, passion, sion, invention. Other than that, we always have an E at the end with feminine nouns. Unfortunately, you guys need to memorize these endings in order to guess if a noun is feminine or masculine. If you noted these endings, let's continue with masculine endings. And then we will do some exercises. Here are some masculine endings for you. Âge, virage, halle, arsenal, an, sergent, hyé, fermier, heure, chanteur, hyène, pharmacien, isme, communisme, man, gouvernement. So as you see here, some masculine endings have an E at the end, but yeah, they are not feminine. For example, âge, virage, isme, communisme, we might think they are feminine, but they are not. So pay attention to that. Okay guys, so now that we saw all these endings, let's do some practice. I'll give you 5 French words and I will ask you to guess if they are feminine or masculine. Okay, so let's do it. The first one is occasion. As you see here, the ending is zion and there is no E at the end, but it's a feminine ending, zion. Remember we saw passion, which has the same ending, zion, so it's feminine noun. So here occasion is ending with zion, so it's feminine. And we also have sion. Sion is also feminine ending. Invention, for example. Okay, second word is mécanicien. As you see, the ending here is ien, so it's a masculine ending. If we want to make it feminine, we double the consonant, last consonant n, and then we add an e. Mécanicienne. Un mécanicien, une mécanicienne. The third one is animal. Animal is a masculine word because of the ending al. So remember we saw al, arsenal for masculine endings. Animal is masculine word because of al. Un animal. So whenever you see al, it's a masculine. So let's continue with ami. Ami doesn't have an E at the end, so if there is no E here, we can imagine it's a masculine word. Un ami, so it's a masculine one. Une amie, it's a feminine version. We put an E. And the last one, chanteuse. Chanteuse has an E at the end. We also have chanteur, which is a masculine form of chanteuse. So here chanteuse is feminine. There is an E at the end, and the ending is euse. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you liked it, please give thumbs up and follow my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. And merci et à la prochaine.